Are you tired of dealing with dull, lackluster, tired-looking skin with wrinkles and pores? Hi, I'm Dr. Angeline Yong. In this upcoming video, let us talk to you about polynucleotides which can address these skin concerns. Polynucleotides are basically long chains of nucleotides, and these are your building blocks of DNA and RNA. So as its name entails, they basically are involved in cellular repair, as they form the building structures of DNA and RNA in the skin. So what polynucleotides can do is to trigger cells to signal an improvement in terms of regeneration, wound healing, and repair. It can help to increase collagen production, elasticity of the skin, giving rise to firmer, better quality skin with less fine lines and pore formation. It can also help to repair the skin and restore its youthfulness as well from photoaging. It is also suitable for all skin phototypes, making it a very deployable solution for everybody who wants to achieve a youthful glow. Commonly asked question is, how do polynucleotides differ from skin boosters? Skin boosters as a category across all brands are basically made up of hyaluronic acid. So the HA injectables are injected primarily in the skin to help to improve hydration and also improve the plumpness of the skin, so making skin look more dewy and more well hydrated from inside out. Polynucleotides, on the other hand, are not made out of hyaluronic acid, so its properties are not to directly volumize or hydrate the skin, but basically to improve cellular restoration or cellular reparative processes to try to improve collagen and elasticity formation to make skin actually more rejuvenated and more refreshed. So they really differ in terms of molecular structure and what they can primarily do. Used together, they can have a synergistic effect as well, which we will talk about below. Remember, no single agent can achieve improvement across all skin quality attributes, and it's best to deploy a combination approach best suited for the patient's lifestyle and skin type. So I really like to combine various treatments, and sometimes skin boosters and polynucleotides can be effectively combined in a patient to achieve synergistic results. As mentioned, skin boosters are hyaluronic acid-based injections that help to hydrate the skin from inside out, but it doesn't deal with other factors such as elasticity and collagen formation, for which then polynucleotides can be an effective solution for. So using this in rotation can not only improve hydration, but also improve elasticity, collagen formation, and together reduce the fine lines that may be due to lack of collagen and also dryness of the skin, and also improve pore size or reducing them, because hydration not only helps to reduce pore size, but also cellular regeneration helps to shrink the pores as well. So you can see how they overlap, but how they support one another as a buttress to improve these various skin quality attributes. So there are other treatments we can do in tangents such as microneedling, microneedle radiofrequency, plain radiofrequency, or even certain ablative lasers like a fractional CO2 laser in the higher skin phototypes. These are all treatments that can be combined synergistically to help to kickstart the skin cellular repair response, and also using things like polynucleotide to help to aid acceleration of wound healing as well. So I totally believe in a comprehensive combination approach to best treat the skin across all skin layers. If you're ready to unlock the benefits of youthful and radiant skin, it is time to embrace or utilize polynucleotides in your skincare routine, and your skin will thank you later. If you like the above video content about polynucleotides and how you can best harness it to improve your skin quality, do not forget to like our video and also click the subscribe button.